Imagine buying a homeowner's insurance policy thinking you're covered, only to find out that after a claim, you're missing something crucial. Unfortunately, 2 out of 3 homes in the United States are underinsured, leaving homeowners vulnerable to financial disaster. But don't worry, today I'm sharing the top 5 mistakes people make when purchasing homeowners insurance and how to avoid them. So stick around because I guarantee you'll learn something that could save you a whole lot of time, money, and stress. Hey, I'm Tia with Trailstone Insurance, where we make insurance easy to understand so you can feel confident about your coverage. So, buying a home is one of the biggest investments you'll ever make, but too many homeowners make simple mistakes when choosing their insurance. These mistakes can cost you thousands or worse, leave you completely unprotected. So, let's get into the top 5 mistakes people make when buying homeowners insurance. First up, not having enough coverage. This is a big mistake. And too many people assume that they're covered when they're not. So imagine buying an umbrella that only covers half your head. That's what underinsuring your home is like. Many people insure their home based on the price they paid for it or their mortgage amount, but that is not how you should do it. You need enough coverage to completely rebuild your home at today's costs, not what it was worth 5 years ago. So, how can you avoid this? Don't just pick the cheapest policy. Make sure you have the right coverage. Insure for replacement cost, not just what you paid for your home. Talk to an independent agent like us to make sure your policy covers your specific needs. And if you rent out your home or use it for business, get the right type of policy. So before we talk about the second big mistake, let me ask you a question. Does your homeowner's insurance cover flooding, earthquakes, sewer backups? If you don't know the answer, you could be in trouble. So here are some surprising exclusions. Homeowners insurance doesn't automatically cover floods or earthquakes. Most policies exclude mold, foundation issues, and sewer backups. Also, valuable personal property may not be covered without an additional rider. So home insurance is not a maintenance plan. Damage resulting from poor upkeep, like waiting months to fix a leaky sink, might not be covered. So before you assume everything is covered, read the fine print. If you live in a flood-prone area, get that flood insurance. If you have expensive jewelry or collectibles, ask about the additional coverage. The worst time to find out what's not covered is when you're trying to file a claim. So don't let this happen to you. Next, let's talk about shopping your policies. Not all insurance policies are created equal, and neither are the companies that sell them. So if you take the first quote you get, you could be missing out on better coverage, lower rates, or even a more reliable insurer. So what we've seen when people don't shop around, well, you might be paying too much for too little coverage. Your provider might have a terrible claims process. This is just completely frustrating. Or you could be missing out on discounts that save you money. So let's talk about how to shop smart. Get quotes from at least 5 companies, or better yet, Trailstone has 40 companies to shop for you. And look beyond price. Compare coverage, exclusions, and customer reviews. Also, check the financial strength and customer service reputation of that company. A cheap policy might look good today, but if they don't pay out when you need them, what's the point? Do your homework. And now on to the number 4 mistake. Your life changes, and so should your policy. So imagine building a new addition to your home, or getting a trampoline, or adopting a dog, only to find out your insurance actually no longer fully protects you. A policy that worked 5 years ago might not cover you properly today. So here's some key situations where you need to update your policy. First, home renovations or upgrades. Adding a pool or trampoline. Yes. Liability risks go up with pools and trampolines. Next, real estate values are rising, so make sure you're not underinsured here. Getting married or adding new valuables such as jewelry, art, or expensive collectibles. And changes in local codes could actually affect your rebuilding costs. Also, adding a home-based business could mean you're not covered for your claim. So your insurance should grow with you. If you haven't reviewed your policy in the last 2 years, now's the time. Sure, you can buy insurance online in 5 minutes, but will you actually get the right coverage? I would say no. When you use an independent insurance agent like my team here at Trailstone, we'll help you to understand your policy without that confusing legal jargon, find you discounts and savings you might miss on your own, and you'll get personalized advice based on your home, location, and budget. We'll always help you find ways to save on your home insurance, like bundling home and auto insurance, installing security systems or smart home devices, unlocking loyalty or claims-free discounts, and increase your deductible intelligently to lower those monthly premiums. Insurance companies won't always tell you about discounts unless you ask. So take a few minutes and call us. You might be surprised at how much you can save. All right, let's recap. Make sure you have the right coverage. Understand what's included, shop around, update your policy regularly, and take advantage of discounts. Do that and you'll be in great shape. Until next time.